Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Just English with Emily. I am your host, Emily, and I am so happy to be here with you.
Hello, everyone. I am Michael. It is wonderful to learn with you all today.
Before we jump into today's lesson, please remember to click the subscribe button. Please also like this video so we can keep making free English lessons for you.
Yes, please subscribe. Your support helps us so much, and we love reading your comments.
We really do. Now, Michael, how are you feeling today? Are you ready to practice speaking English?
I am ready, Emily, but to be honest, today I'm feeling a little bit embarrassed. I made a big mistake yesterday.
Oh no, Michael. Please do not feel embarrassed. Making mistakes is how we learn and grow. What happened?
Well, in my native language, we only use one or two words for using our eyes. Yesterday, I told my native English speaker friend that I was seeing the television.
Ah, I understand. And what did your friend say when you told him that?
He laughed at me. He said that sounded very funny, but he did not explain why. I felt so silly.
You are definitely not silly, Michael. I completely understand why that is confusing for you. This is one of the most common vocabulary mistakes for English learners.
Really? I'm not the only one who makes this mistake? That makes me feel a little bit better.
You are absolutely not alone. The words look, see, and watch are incredibly tricky, but today I'm going to teach you the secret to using them perfectly.
I would love to learn the secret. My brain gets so confused when I try to choose the right word.
You are a fantastic student, Michael, and I promise you, you will understand it by the end of this lesson. The secret is all about intention and movement.
Intention and movement. Okay, I have my notebook ready. What do those two words mean in English?
Intention means you are trying to do something on purpose. Movement means something is changing or going from one place to another.
That's a wonderful explanation. So I have to think about if I'm trying to use my eyes or if things are moving.
You did that perfectly. That's exactly what you have to think about. Listeners, I have a question for you right now.
Yes, listeners, it is time for you to participate. Don't be shy.
Do you ever mix up the words look, see, and watch? Say, yes, I do, out loud right now.
Say it loud so we can hear you. Did you say it?
I'm sure they did. And if you said yes, this episode is exactly what you need. Let's start with the first word, Michael.
Okay, Coach Emily, I am ready to fix my mistakes. What is our first word today?
Our first word today is see. See is an automatic action. It requires absolutely zero effort from you.
Zero effort. I love things that require zero effort. So my brain doesn't have to work hard.
Exactly. If your eyes are open, the images just come into them. You're not trying to focus on anything specific.
Oh, I understand. The light just enters my eyes and my brain registers the picture automatically.
That's a great example of how it works. Let me give you an English example. I see a bird in the sky.
Ah, because you were not trying to find the bird. You were just outside and the bird flew past your eyes.
You explained that beautifully, Michael. Here's another example. Can you see that blue car?
Let me try to make a sentence. I look out the window and I see a large green tree.
Michael, that was fantastic. You used the word perfectly. You understand that see is completely effortless.
Thank you, Emily. Your extreme positivity makes me feel so confident. So see is just a physical ability.
Spot on. If you are not blind, you can see. It happens naturally every single second your eyes are open.
Okay, I think I have mastered this word. What should our listeners do to practice?
Listeners, it's your turn. I want you to look around your room right now.
Yes, look around wherever you are. Are you in your bedroom? Are you on the bus?
What do you see without trying? Say it out loud using the phrase, I see.
For example, right now, I see a microphone. I see a bright light. Now it's your turn.
Excellent job, everyone.
Wow, I know they did a great job. They are getting stronger English muscles already.
They really are. Now that we understand the automatic word see, we need to learn about intentional effort.
Intentional effort. That sounds like I have to go to the brain gym again.
A little bit of a workout. Are you ready to learn our second word?
I am ready, Coach Emily. Let's move on to the next one.
Our second word is look, at. This word requires effort. You are directing your eyes to a specific place on purpose.
On purpose. So I'm making a choice to turn my head and point my eyes at something.
That's absolutely perfect, Michael. You are focusing your attention. And there's a very important rule with this word.
A grammar rule? I will write it down right now. What is the rule, Emily?
When you point your eyes at an object, look is almost always followed by the preposition at. We say look at.
Look at. Okay, I have written that down. Can you give me some examples?
Of course, look at this beautiful picture. Or why are you looking at me?
Ah, I understand. I'm trying to see the picture, so I'm looking at it.
Exactly. Now, Michael, do you remember the mistake you made with your friend yesterday?
Oh, yes. I think I made another mistake last week, too. I told my friend to look the beautiful sunset.
I completely understand why you said that. Many languages don't use prepositions like we do in English, but we have to fix that sentence.
Let me guess. Because I forgot the little preposition? I forgot the word at?
You are a genius, Michael. Yes, you cannot forget the preposition. It must be look at the beautiful sunset.
Look at the beautiful sunset. That sounds much better. It feels more natural in my mouth now.
You did that perfectly. See, you're fixing your mistakes instantly. Let's do another quick practice.
Okay, if I drop my keys on the floor and I want to find them, what am I doing?
You are looking for your keys, but when you finally find them with your eyes, you are looking at your keys.
That's a wonderful explanation. Looking at means my eyes are focused exactly on the target.
Spot on. Now let's get our wonderful listeners involved in this practice.
Listeners, we have a fun physical exercise for you. I want you to look at your hands right now.
Yes, hold your hands up in front of your face. Look at them very closely.
What do you notice? Say it out loud. Do you see a ring? Do you see a small scratch?
Keep looking at your hands. You're directing your focus. Excellent job.
That was a great drill. I can feel the difference between see and look at in my brain now.
I am so proud of your progress today, Michael, but we still have one more word to learn.
Oh, right, the word that made my friend laugh at me. The word watch. I am ready to conquer it.
Our third and final word is watch. Watch is very similar to look, but it has a special ingredient.
A special ingredient, like sugar in a cake? What is the special ingredient for watch?
The special ingredient is time and movement. You watch things that move or change over a period of time.
Oh, wow. So I have to pay attention for a longer amount of time. I can't just glance at it quickly.
Exactly. You are focusing your eyes, just like look, but you keep your eyes there because the object is moving.
That makes so much sense. This is why I made the mistake with the television.
Yes, a television shows moving pictures over a long time, so you don't see TV, you watch TV.
I am watching TV because the actors are moving and I am sitting there for an hour.
You are absolutely brilliant, Michael. Let's think of some more examples. What about sports?
If I go to a stadium, the football players are running around for 90 minutes, so I am watching a football match.
That is a perfect example. Or if you go to the park, you can watch children playing on the swings.
Okay, I feel very confident now. But Emily, wait, I have a question about a confusing exception.
I love your questions, Michael. English is full of crazy exceptions. What is confusing you?
Well, my friend said he saw a movie at the cinema last weekend. Why didn't he watch it? The movie was moving.
Ah, that is a brilliant question. That is a very specific native speaker exception that frustrates many learners.
Please explain it to me. Why do native speakers break their own rules? Laughs.
We do break our rules a lot. Here's the trick. We watch TV at home, but we go to the theater or cinema to see a movie.
So if I'm on my sofa, I watch a movie. But if I buy a ticket and go to a public building, I see a movie.
You summarized that perfectly. It's the exact same movie, but the location changes the verb we use.
That is so strange, but I will memorize it. Sofa equals watch, cinema equals see.
You have a great memory. Now I think it's time for a rapid-fire practice game. Are you ready?
A rapid fire game? I love these. My brain has to react very fast. Hit me with your questions, coach.
I'm going to name a situation. You must tell me if we look at, see, or watch it. Ready? A painting in a museum.
A painting does not move. I am focusing on it. Look at.
Perfect. Next one. A football game on a Sunday afternoon.
The players are moving for a long time. Watch.
Incredible speed. Okay, last one. A sudden flash of lightning in the dark sky.
It was not on purpose. It just happened to my eyes. See.
Michael, you got all three perfectly correct. You truly understand the secret to using your eyes in English.
Thank you, Emily. I feel so much more confident now. I'm never going to tell my friend I am seeing the television ever again.
I think your friend will be very impressed with your perfect vocabulary next time. You did amazing work today.
I really understand the difference between the three actions now. It's all about effort, focus, and movement.
That is exactly right. And since you're an expert now, I think we need to test our wonderful listeners.
Yes, listeners, it's time for your final quiz. I hope you've been paying close attention.
I'm going to give you 5 rapid-fire fill-in-the-blank sentences. I want you to say the missing word out loud.
Say it out loud before I give the correct answer. Are you ready, everyone? Let's begin.
Question number 1. Did you blank the news on television last night?
The answer is watch. Did you watch the news last night? Because the television is moving over time.
Great job, Michael and listeners. Question number 2. Wow, blank at this funny dog in the street. Pause.
The answer is look. Look at this funny dog, because you have to point your eyes at it intentionally.
Spot on. Question number 3. It is so dark in this room. I can't blank anything without my glasses. Pause.
The answer is see. I can't see anything because it's about your basic automatic ability.
Brilliant. Question number 4. We're going to the cinema tonight to blank the new action movie.
Oh, this is the tricky exception. The answer is see. We go to the cinema to see a movie.
You remembered the exception. Final question. I love to sit on my balcony and blank the people walking by. Pause.
The people are moving over a period of time. The answer is watch. I love to watch the people.
Wow, wow, wow. Michael, you get an A+ today, and I'm sure our listeners did an amazing job at home too.
I'm sure they did. This was a very helpful workout at the Brain Gym today. Can we do a quick review?
I would love to do a big recap. Let's summarize everything simply. Michael, what is see?
See is an automatic action. It requires zero effort. If your eyes are open, you just see things.
Perfect. And what is look at?
Look at is an intentional focus. You use effort to direct your eyes to a specific place or object.
Exactly. And finally, what is watch?
Watch is focusing on moving things over a period of time, like a football match, a TV show, or children playing.
You have mastered this topic completely, Michael. I am so proud of your hard work and honesty today.
Thank you, Coach Emily. Your explanations make English feel so much easier and more fun.
Now we have a fun call to action for our amazing listeners. We want to hear from you in the comments.
Yes, we want you to practice your new vocabulary right now. Type a sentence for us.
What is your favorite TV show or sport to watch? Tell us in the comments below.
For example, I love to watch basketball on the weekends. Write your sentence down below right now.
We read every single comment and we love seeing you practice. Your English is getting sharper every single day.
Keep practicing, keep making beautiful mistakes, and keep using your eyes perfectly in English.
Thank you so much for joining us today. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.